All right, students, let's go ahead and now revise the next chapter. The next chapter is audit and special audit. When you are going ahead and discussing about audit and special audit, sir, where does the linking for the audit and special audit ka chapter comes? Everyone over here. Linking comes from here, wherein basically, supposingly an officer is doing scrutiny, and when he has gone ahead and done the scrutiny, he will go ahead and tell you the difference. Whatever is the discrepancy has found. If you go ahead and correct the discrepancy, very good, or you can give an explanation. He likes your explanation, very good. He does not like your explanation, then the officer will get angry, and the recourses which are available with the officer is audit, special audit, inspection, search, seizure. So he will do audit, he will do special audit, he will gather evidences against you, and using those evidences, he will pass a demand order. So now we are going to understand the next chapter, which is audit and special audit. When we go ahead and discuss about audit and special audit, the two sections come is section number 65 and section number 66. Section number 65 talks about audit by tax authorities, and section number 66 talks about audit, which is special audit. Section number 65 goes ahead and says, sir, they will go ahead and start the audit, but first of all, commissioner or the person authorized by the commissioner. So either the commissioner will go ahead and do the audit. Basically, commissioner will authorize a person, commissioner or person authorized by the commissioner by general or specific order will undertake the audit of the registered person. And sir, that audit will be for a period of 1 year, or it can be part of the year, or it can be in multiple of years also. Remember, audit can be for a year, part of the year, or multiple of years also. And prior to the audit, they will go ahead and give you a prior notice in ADT 01, and it will be a prior notice of 15 working days at least. Now, audit can happen at the place of business of the registered person, or audit can happen at their office, means the officer ka office may also. Sir, what is the date of commencement of the audit? Because from the date of commencement of audit should get over within 3 months. Sir, commencement of the audit is later when the books are made available by you. You made the books available, or the actual institution of the audit at the place of business. So you made the books available on 1st, audit started on 15th, so the date of commencement will be 15th. And it says over here, once the audit has started, they will complete the audit within 3 months. If they can't complete the audit within 3 months, commissioner can go ahead and further extend the time limit by 6 months, which for extension, he will record the reason in writing. 3 months when it could not complete, extended by further 6 months, audit completed. Then within the next 30 days, they will inform the registered person, they will inform you basically about the findings of the audit, what are your rights and obligations, the reasons for the finding, basically audit report along with the audit observations will be provided to you. Audit report with audit observation shall be provided, directing the registered person to discharge the liability. Hey, you go ahead and pay off your liability. If you go ahead and pay off your liability, then very good, chapter is closed. But if you don't pay your liability, if tax is still not paid, short paid, erroneous refund has been taken, ITC is wrongly availed or utilized. If you pay back the amount, very good. If you don't pay back the amount, then because of the audit, they have gathered evidences. Now they will go ahead and raise one show cause notice and then a demand order. So basically, if amount is not discharged, proper officer may initiate action under section number 73 and 74. The next one over here is section number 66, special audit. Sir, what is a special audit? Special audit ka case mein, so for an example, officer is doing the scrutiny, inquiry, investigation, or any proceedings against you, and the officer greater than assistant commissioner feels, is of the opinion, not feeling, baba, opinion, that the value which you have declared is not correct, or the credit which you have taken is not within the normal limit, then baba, he will go ahead and take the commissioner ka permission, and after he takes the commissioner ka permission, he will go ahead and direct the registered person, hey, assistant commissioner has taken commissioner ka permission, and he'll direct you, hey, you get your audit done from this chartered accountant or this cost accountant which has been nominated by the commissioner. Get his accounts audited, get his records including books examined by a CA squared chartered accountant or cost accountant nominated by the commissioner. So Baba, special audit will start. The chartered accountant or the cost accountant should complete the audit within 90 days. If the special audit is not completed within how many days? 90 days. Then sir, assistant commissioner may on a written application from the registered person or the chartered accountant, CA squared chartered accountant or the cost accountant, for material or sufficient reason extend the time limit by further 90 days. 90 plus 90 may, once the audit is completed, audit concluded, then Baba, the chartered accountant or the cost accountant will give his audit report. Basically, he'll submit the report duly signed and certified to the assistant commissioner. Now, assistant commissioner will go ahead and send you Now, audit findings will be communicated to the registered person in GST ADT 04. He will tell you the audit findings, give you an opportunity of being heard, and if you go ahead and pay the tax, etc., very good. If you don't pay the tax, then they are going ahead and telling they will initiate proceedings under 73 and 74. Basically, show cause notice and then demand order will be given. Always remember one thing. Basically, they will go ahead and inform you in ADT 04 all the findings and discrepancies which are there, and they will give you an opportunity of being heard. Along with that, you should go ahead and make the payment of the taxes, etc. If you go ahead and make the payment of the tax which is not paid, short paid, erroneous refund was taken, ITC wrongly utilized and availed, if you go ahead and make the payment, very good. If you don't go ahead and make the payment, they will go ahead and initiate the proceedings under section number 73 and 74. Remember, CA square is chartered accountant or cost accountant. The chartered accountant or the cost accountant is nominated by the commissioner, paid by the department. The next one over here is, what are the different types of audit? Who can conduct the audit of the taxpayer? It says, what are the different types of audit and who can conduct the audit of the taxpayer? Remember, the different types of audit are audit by department under section number 65 and special audit under section number 66. Here, the tax authorities does the audit by tax authorities, and 66 is special audit where the chartered accountant or cost accountant nominated by the commissioner does your audit. Here we are done with a short and sweet chapter of audit.